Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so you don't waste time. First, confirm your carrier account and plan allow data. If blocked, resetting the phone won't help. Next, make sure iOS is current because carriers push profiles with updates. Back up to iCloud or iTunes now so you can restore if needed. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds to force a quick radio reset, then turn it off. This clears momentary network hangups. Now you'll perform deeper fixes to re-establish a reliable connection. First, toggle cellular data and voice roaming off and on. This forces a re-registration with nearby towers. If that fails, go to Settings and do Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, VPN, and radio configs and often removes corrupt profiles. Make sure to accept any carrier settings updates when they appear. These patches adjust APN and finish by isolating hardware and final configuration steps. Power down, remove the SIM and inspect for damage or debris, then reseat it firmly. Try the SIM in another phone to confirm it works. If data still fails, manually enter APN settings in Settings Cellular Data Network because incorrect APN blocks data. If everything else fails, restore the iPhone via DFU mode or contact your carrier. And remember, if the SIM is faulty, replacing it is usually the simplest permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.